So I'm at the Hirsch. I don't know how you say your name. Hirsch. I'm at the Hirsch booth with
David Lin of Mimaki USA. Hello.
A person from Mimaki. We like that. We like that.
Me too.
Because actually, I have a subscriber. They wanted to buy that thing.
Yes.
So
TXF 150 or 300. Great machine.
Right. So now you can talk to them about that machine.
Absolutely.
They actually actively was going to buy one of those.
Very good.
Yeah, and I'm like, I don't know what to tell you about it. So there we go.
That's wonderful. If I can add, we're in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Mimaki USA does have a technology center that's available for demonstrations, education. Even if you buy a machine and you want to come in and just get into the applications that aren't top line ABC, we could get into it. So we have a beautiful facility in Rockaway, New Jersey, and we elicit customers to come in, learn, kick tires, send samples over. So it's really an experience center more than anything. And come visit us. You'll definitely learn something.
See that? Right person. So he's going to talk to us now about either that one or that one. Which one do you want to do?
Let's do the solvent first, and then we can go into the DTF.
Perfect.
Is that fine?
Yep.
So what we have here, released recently, is our CJV 200 solvent printer cutter. So it has both functions, printing, cutting. So if you need to do a banner, you're going to use the print function, cut out stickers, decals, vehicle graphics that you need shaped for doors. It can do it all here.
This actually cuts too?
Yes, it'll do kiss cut function, which is more that topical sticker. You peel it up off the liner and slap it down.
Wow, that's that one right there.
Correct. Yep. So you can see a cut line on here. You see this cut line coming off.
See that? Wow. And that was printed on this machine.
And it was printed on this particular one's actually off of UV.
Oh, that one's a UV.
So you can see UV mats out a little bit, but it's a high application platform.
Okay.
So UV allows you to get into spot varnish, clear, matte clear, window graphics, wall graphics, white floods. Whereas solvent, you can see it looks a little bit more traditional to the industry because we've been seeing the same thing in a way for 20 years. But what's nice about the CJV 200 is this is a 4-color print. So if you know anything about CMYK expanded color set, the dot size of this new print head in the CJV 200 is so minute that you're able to kick up your color saturations and vibrancy with a 4-color ink set, which 4-color prints faster than an expanded ink set. So you're able to get this quality in the fastest modes possible. Actually, let me also put this up to the light, see if the camera can. All right, so this is a little bit of, it's a backlit film.
You can see the light through it.
All right.
Wow.
Look at that color.
Hey, look at the colors on there. And that's 4 colors.
4-color.
Man.
I printed this.
See, Rob, that's the thing I keep telling you. You don't need 20, 15 colors to print something. 4 colors can do just the same job if you tweak the machine properly.
Absolutely. I mean, CMYK is a reduced color gamut.
Right.
But, so your lime green, neon pink, it's going to be tenuous to arrive there. But for 99% of the colors that customers are requesting, absolutely attainable and really better than the industry median or mean standardization.
Perfect.
So great machine. You can see we have a 30-inch print cut, 3-year warranty, $8,995.
Wow, that's not bad.
This is a new machine that my company decided to offer immediately at a price that's very appetizing.
Awesome. And what size is this?
This is a 64-inch. So It comes in 54, 64, and 30 inch. 30 inch you might want to obtain if you're sticking to stickers. When doing print cut, adding width can add variability.
Yes.
So sticking with 30 inch, you're able to print cut even unattended. You could do a full roll of print cut stickers with the click of a button.
Oh, wow.
So it'll take it in chunks, print, register, cut, move on to the next foray or file.
Right? That's awesome. See,
Very
that's
good.
what I'm talking about.
Comes with the take-up reel. So if you're doing long runs, we're not utilizing it at the moment.
Right.
Doing long runs, it'll automatically take it up for you. And again, 64-inch banner printing, some of the wall graphics that are out there come in that format. Generally in sign and graphics, 30-inch, 54-inch is the standard. So it also comes in that 54-inch size. But yeah, all the industry standard materials, perfectly compatible with this machine. You want to go over to the DTF?
Yeah, let's look at that.
Sure.
So that's really more my expertise right now.
Absolutely. So we've got our DTF printer and shaking unit. Just briefly on the workflow of DTF, if you folks are new to it, you're printing with a CMYK and white in a layer. This ink then traverses through the shaker. The powder clings to the printed area. The paddle kind of kicks off, removes the remaining powder. It comes through the dryer and finished, ready to press
Look at that.
on the front end.
And that is a 32-inch?
Correct.
Wow. See, these are the printers you're worth buying. It don't make no sense to buy those 13-inch printers that they sell you for like $5,000. Save your money and buy something like this. That's always been my.
I would agree with it. You do get what you pay for, especially in this industry.
You can always put narrower film in it
Yeah.
if you want to.
You can put what now?
The film comes in different widths.
Oh, see? Look at that. And that's film. That's the film right there, and then that's the ink tray up there. And you guys use the package inks, right?
Correct. Degassed packaging.
So that means no bubbles in the inks.
Correct.
Perfect.
Right, so-
This is awesome.
So what's great about this machine is the stability aspect of it. If you take a ski trip on a long winter break and you come back, everybody in the industry knows what are you coming back to when you have a white ink printer.
So clock inks.
I've put it through its paces many times, and we do have this machine at our Rockaway facility. If anybody wants to, get a demonstration one-on-one, Hirsch would be involved. And essentially, its stability is the name of the game. You go back to that printer, cleaning, test print, ready to print for the day.
Wow. So it actually keeps the heads clear from all that.
Correct.
Wow.
So there's ink circulation and purging, but the purging is not really the hero of the show. It's our standard circulation technology that we use in a lot of our printers.
Oh, wow.
And it works very, very well for DTF as well.
Because everybody wants to have good quality prints. As soon as they turn the machine on, they don't want to sit there and fight with it all day, all week. Next month you come back and need a new print head because it's all clogged up. So having a system like that where you can leave for a week or 2 months, come back and the thing still prints the second you push the button is a plus.
Yeah, truly. And CMYK is not really the impetus in that risk in the industry with white ink. It's really the white ink. It's the same material that's in a whiteout bottle when you make a mistake. After using that a few times, you ever seen a clean one?
Yeah, you can't do anything with that. That's awesome. Man, I love the information so much. Thank you so much for the time.
My pleasure.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.